Paki-open fast about what? Is the fourth P in the marketing mix. Promotion refers to the complete set of activities which communicate the product, brand, or service to the user. The idea is to create an awareness, attract, and induce the consumers to buy the product in preference over others. So when we say promotion, what does it mean? Ano pong ibig sabihin ng promotion? Yes, Lucero.
When we say promotion po, ito po yung pag-promote or paglalako po ng goods or services po natin na means po na pag-a-attract po dun sa mga possible customers po.
Okay, so sa promotion, kadalasan ito yung medyo mahirap gawin 'no, bilang isang entrepreneur kasi dito ka gagamit ng iba't ibang mga strategies or pamamaraan kung paano mo ipo-promote yung iyong product. So ngayon, ano kaya yung puwedeng pamamaraan ang gamitin mo sa pag-promote ng product? Napag-usapan na natin 'to last time. Ano po yung mga pamamaraan ang puwedeng gamitin sa pag-promote ng product? Yes, by using social media. Ano pa? Yes, Valenzuela.
Advertising po.
Okay, so advertisement. So now, there are 5 promotional mix under promotion. Una po is yung using radio. This is the latest and the fast developing media carry their messages entirely through. So yung iba naman po is gumagamit po ng mga electronic. Katulad na lamang kagaya ng sinabi niyo kanina is yung paggamit ng mga social media. Okay, so kung saan yung iba is nag-a-advertise gamit ang mga social media platforms, lalo na sa panahon ngayon, is karamihan sa atin is merong mga social media platforms na ginagamit. So advertising is important for every business. Okay, so the promotion of a particular commodity is with the second is public relations or public relations, the article that features your company is not paid for. There is selling. Personal selling occurs when an individual salesperson sells mga gadgets or is sales promotions. So itong sales promotions kadalasan taken by an organization to promote an increase in sales, usage, or trial of a product or service. Sales promotion, several sales promotion technique. First is free gifts. There are many ways to utilize this particular. Providing free samples is a technique used to introduce new products to the marketplace. Okay, so itong mga free samples kadalasan nakikita natin to or trial. Okay, so a free trial is usually nagagamit to sa mga services. For example, gusto nating i-upgrade sa premium, yung YouTube, customer contests. Contests offer the customer a chance to win prizes like cash or store merchandise. So special pricing is used to offer consumers a lower price for a period of time or to purchase in multiple quantities. So dito po sa special pricing is, for example, dyan. Okay, so nagets po ba? Malinaw ba? Okay, so number 5 is direct marketing. Okay, so direct marketing is a promotional method that involves presenting information about your company, product, or service to your target customer without the use of an advertising middleman. Okay, so pag sinabi nating third parties, hindi po nila kailangan mag-hire ng ibang forms of direct marketing. Yung mga brochure, catalogs, flyers, newsletters, postcards, coupons, emails, phone calls, or text messages kung saan direct pong mina-market or direct na ina-advertise ng mga entrepreneurs yung kanilang mga. May question po ba?